Hey guys, it's Joey, and today I'm going to be bringing you my monthly plan with me for the month of December. But before I do that, I am going to switch out my cover that I had for November. I designed this cover for my Etsy shop, and I will have my Etsy shop listed below. These are all digital covers that you can download and you can laminate and punch for yourself, or you can have it ordered. I ordered mine through Erin Condren, where that way I can get it professionally done with both sides being done for me with the inside on both the front and the back. And so I am going to switch out my cover for the one where it's Thanksgiving to my elf cover. I'm so excited to use this cover, you guys. When I designed this cover, I just couldn't believe. So I, of course, had to have candy canes behind him because it's one of the major food groups for him. And then Santa, I know him. And then on the inside, I have this green I thought would go really well because I did use an ombre effect for the front of the cover. So let me just go ahead and put this cover on first, and then I will come right back. All right, so my cover is on both the front and the back. Here's the back of the cover. I had all the candy canes on the back. And then the front of my cover is, of course, Elf and the Santa, I know him. All right, so let's open up to the month of December. I am laying down a kit by Sticker Mama. This is I love Sticker Mama's monthly kits. They're all very affordable. Plus, I have a discount code listed below, but right now I know she is running a Black Friday sale, so you can also check her out for that. But I am going to go ahead and lay down my header and then my washi at the bottom, and then I will come back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lay down all of my numbers. I did go ahead and put down the little sidebar. I last month used the sidebar to list all of the YouTube videos that I'm doing for the month, and so I found that that was very helpful. So I'm just going to continue doing that for this coming month. And I'm going to go ahead and lay down all of the numbers, and then I'm going to come back and fill in these boxes with some extra washi, I believe. But I want to double check and see what it looks like before I do that, before I decide to use the washi that I have on these sheets right here. So I will be right back with that. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you in so that you can see what I've done so far. This is the front of the cover, or I'm sorry, the first page. Holy cow, I'm so, it's early, so I'm still kind of tired. All right, this is what I have so far. I am going to go ahead, and I believe I'm going to use this longer strip of washi, and I'm going to lay it down on the two boxes here to cover up the 1st and the 2nd of January. And then I'm also going to use, maybe if I can, I'm going to try to use the same washi for the other two boxes, but I don't know. We'll see if it will work. I don't know if they'll be long enough, but oh, it is, you guys, it worked perfectly. All right, so I have that longer piece of washi that I had, the thick washi, covered both boxes, so it worked out great. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I have a couple of appointments that I need to lay down, and then I'm going to use this washi to mark my break, my winter break. So let me take off a couple of these appointments that I have written down as a temporary. I know this is a pretty green, but it doesn't really match the kit, so I'm going to use something else, and then I'll come right back. Alright, so I went ahead and laid down 2 different appointment labels, and now I'm going to go through. I want to make sure I don't have this upside down because these are cute little trucks. And I'm going to lay down just a washi strip that goes all the way across, showing our winter break, our Christmas break, I should say. And I think I'll have enough. I don't know. We might have to piece it together, but we'll see. And I'm only gonna do it for the weekdays because I know that we have the weekends off. I think it'll work. Hang on. Trying to be like, yay! Okay, I'm not like, yeah, I'm gonna trim that little piece. That's super cool, you guys. Okay, hold on, I gotta move my little rings out of the way. Let's see if I can get it up with this. If not, I'll use my nails first and then pull it up. Maybe. Come on. Oh, I got it. Yay. Okay. It's looking pretty cute so far. All right, I'm going to go ahead and mark Christmas Day. And let's see. I'm going to mark it with the Christmas tree. And New Year's Eve. I'm gonna mark the first day of our break with a little poinsettia. And this is not the last day of our break, but I didn't have a little piece of tape for that, so I'm not gonna fret. It is New Year's Eve, and so I'm just gonna mark it with that. Okay, let's see if there's anything else that I have. This month is super slow for me, you guys. There's really not a whole lot going on. This is all I have written in for this month so far. I think this is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I know it was really quick and pretty basic, but I really like the way the spread turned out. I love how the longer, thick washi was able to go over both of these boxes. I will let you know that Sticker Mama does ship fairly quickly, so if you don't have a December monthly yet, it's not too late. You might get it in a little, like a week later, but it will still, it should still work for you. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I hope that you've had a great Thanksgiving, and if you've done a lot of shopping, then let me know what good deals you found on planner stuff. I'm always interested. Before I let you go, I'm actually going to, I forgot to throw down all of my paydays. So let me do that really quickly, and then I will let you go. All right, I think that's it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.